Good afternoon. This is a weather briefing for October 6th and October 7th for the potential for severe weather. My name is Marissa Pazos. I'm a forecaster here at the National Weather Service in El Paso, and today is Tuesday, October 6th, 2015. Let's get right into it and look at the potential weather impacts that we are expecting today and tonight. Today and tonight, we can expect large damaging hail and strong winds across much of the area. An isolated tornado at this point cannot be ruled out. Tomorrow and tomorrow night, large damaging hail as well as strong winds are also a possibility, but the focus shifts itself east from Las Cruces, El Paso eastward. An isolated tornado tomorrow also cannot be ruled out. All days, isolated heavy rainfall and flash flooding potential is a possibility. Potential impacts that the weather could cause include rain, slicked roadways, and reduced visibilities due to heavy rain mixed with small hail. Large-sized damaging hail could impact structures, crops, and vehicles. Damaging winds in excess of 60 miles an hour could affect weaker structures, so loose objects should be secured. Heavy rain could also cause temporary street flooding and make low water crossings impassable. Outdoor activities could be canceled or even delayed due to heavy rain, large hail, damaging winds, or deadly lightning. Taking a look at thunderstorm risk categories for our area, I want to draw your attention to the darker green area, marginal, which includes isolated severe thunderstorms that are possible. They limit in duration and coverage or intensity. Winds with these types of thunderstorms could be as strong as 60 miles an hour with hail up to an inch, and low tornado risk is possible. The other color I want to draw your attention to is the yellow color, or the slight, which includes scattered severe thunderstorms possible. They're short-lived, not as widespread. Isolated intense storms are also possible in this category, with one or two possible tornadoes, strong winds, and large damaging hail as well. The reason I bring that to your attention is because today the El Paso area is under a slight risk for severe thunderstorm potential. Moving into tomorrow, we see that the slight risk moves itself eastward, but we are still under a marginal risk for severe thunderstorm potential. And Thursday, although much of the marginal area has moved east, far eastern portions of Hudspeth County could still see a potential for severe thunderstorms. So what's causing all this? Well, a low pressure system off to our west is forcing its way eastward, and as it does that, it meets a very unstable atmosphere that is very moist. And right over our area is the strongest storms start to develop. That's as of Tuesday evening. As we move into Wednesday, we see that low pressure system continues to force its way east, moving our area of strongest storms eastwards with it, targeting eastern El Paso and Hudspeth counties. And by Thursday, that low drops all the way down into Mexico, but does not leave us completely clear. Hudspeth County still has a strong potential for severe thunderstorms. Taking a look at total rainfall over the next 3 days, we can see from this picture that the area is expected to get a lot of rainfall. This graphic starts from today until Friday. So, like we said, large rainfall potentials are a possibility, causing low water crossings to become impassable, or light to moderate rainfall or heavy rainfall could cause minor flash flooding. Excess rainfall, like I just said, is a possibility. The Severe Prediction Center has put us under a slight risk for today's excessive rainfall potential, so heavy rainfall, again, a possibility. And because of that, right now we have put far eastern El Paso, Hudspeth, and some of Otero County under a flash flood watch. This is valid through Wednesday evening. This does not mean that the rest of southern New Mexico or West Texas will not see flash flooding or heavy rainfall. It just means right now, eastern El Paso, Hudspeth, and some of Otero have the largest risks of flash flooding. So what are the uncertainties that we're seeing? Well, if we have too much cloud coverage, we'll have less potential for severe weather. Where will the convergence zone exactly position itself? We are not sure, and we are also not sure of the location of the exact heaviest rainfall and flooding. Again, the watches and warnings in effect. A flash flood watch is in effect through Wednesday night for portions of Hudspeth, Otero, and El Paso counties. Possible watches and warnings that we could put out include a severe thunderstorm watch, a severe thunderstorm warning, a flash flood warning, and a tornado warning is possible, like we saw last night. To sum it all up, today, large damaging hail possible with strong winds, even some flash flooding, and an isolated tornado is possible. Tomorrow, again, large damaging hail, strong winds, flash flooding, maybe an isolated tornado, but all of those impacts have shifted themselves eastward tomorrow, starting from Las Cruces on eastward. I want to thank you for joining me today for this weather briefing. Emergency managers and media, we encourage you to use NWS Chat, Facebook. Please follow us on Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and for up-to-date information, check out our website at www.weather.gov/El Paso.